Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. Today I'm back with a Craspire review of these wax seal stamp heads and also going to be sharing how this double-sided wax seal worked out. Alright guys, we have our double-sided wax seal here. I'm going to show you the eucalyptus side. Now to get this beautiful rounded edges here, I use 4 wax seal beads. Now you can also use 3. So this is the flip side. Here is the flip side showing our lily of valley flowers. Using 3 wax seal beads, it created a gorgeous impressions of these flowers. I just love them. They make beautiful seals for wedding invitations, outgoing mail. You can use them on your fabric clusters for your journals. Next time I will be showing you other ways on how to use these gorgeous seals. But isn't that beautiful? Let's take a look at the next wax seal head. So the next one I have is the Salvador Dali looking clock here, and again you can see how beautiful the impressions look like. Now to get a fuller round edge for this particular set of 3 wax seal stamps that I made, I use 5. Let me show you one where I use 6. So here it is, guys. It is gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? You can see how clear the details are on that wax seal head, and I just love it. Again, you can apply some wax gilding on top just to bring out a little bit of gold, silver, if you would like to accent the stamp that you have of the image. So that is one great way to use it. But I am loving this stamp. So we are going to look at the other 2. Our next wax seal head is this adorable bear with the star moon. And as you can see here on the purple one, it has made a beautiful impression. The edges are not perfect, and that's probably just my timing when I set it down. So you don't want your wax to get too cold, and you want to press down as quickly as possible. Now, the wonderful thing about this wax seal heads is, unlike the other ones that I got from Temu, they have wonderful weight. So once you set it down, it definitely creates a wonderful impression. Now, the edges are imperfect here. It doesn't quite have a rounder edge like this one. So my suggestion is, if you want something fuller, use 6 wax seal beads. Let me show you what that looks like. So if you want a fuller wax seal finish, look at how beautiful this came out. You can add 7 if you want, but I think 6 is already generous, and 5 is also sufficient if you kind of want it a little bit edgy. But how cute is that? And again, you can apply whichever accent pen you would like to add. This makes great for baby shower invitations, an album, maybe in your junk journal. I think it is just gorgeous. The last wax seal head that I was trying out actually came a set of 2 for $5.99, and they had 2 handles. This was really light, and unlike our regular wax seals, which are thicker, you can see that this one is a little bit thinner and lighter. But again, just wanted to show you, it still made an amazing, almost 3D effect. We got our beautiful butterflies there. Here is the other one. And for this particular seal, I used 5 to get that beautiful look on it. I just love it. I just love these stamps. So here is another look at these gorgeous wax seal impressions that we got using the Craspire wax seal stamps. I am just loving it. I am a big fan of their stamps, and this is proof that they work really well. You can see how clear the images come out. I will be sharing some project shares soon on how to use this in your letters, in your journals, and other crafty projects. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this little review. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.